Hey friends, if you wish to fix bad system config info error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a system restore on your system. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a go to restore point. Click on next and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to fix Windows registry files, and I have a script for it, or I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste the script and hit enter and it's done. And then you can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Click on restart now and check for problems. The last solution is to repair BCD. The command for it is very simple. I won't mention it in the description section, just remember it. It's very easy. It's bootrec bootrec space forward repair BCD. Okay, this is the command. All you need to do is use this command in the elevated command prompt window. Okay, I'll open it once again. It was at the wrong page. Command prompt, run as administrator and then paste it and then hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.